Hello children of class 1. Welcome to this week's video on computers. Today I'll continue with chapter 1, Computer, a Machine. Last 2 weeks in the online class, I had taught about natural things and man-made things. These are all natural things. These are found in nature. These are not made by man in factories and workshops. And these are man-made things. These are made by man in factories and in workshops. Then we learned about machines. We learned that some machines run on electricity. For example, washing machine, fan, mixie. We learned that some machines run on fuel, like aeroplane, car. And we learned that some machines work on human power, muscle power. Okay, for example, rickshaw and boat. Now, why are machines so useful? Machines work fast. Machines make our work easy. At home you may be having a washing machine. Using the washing machine, anybody can wash the clothes very easily without using too much labor. Otherwise, washing big bed sheets, lots of clothes is a very time-taking and energy-sapping activity. Machines save our time. Okay, machines save our time. A car is a machine. An aeroplane is a machine. A train is a machine. Using a car, a train, an aeroplane, we can go to places much faster than if we went on foot. But there is one thing, this thing. Machines cannot work on their own. The washing machine will not be on by itself and start washing clothes. Somebody has to put the clothes into it, put water, or put the tap on at least, put some washing powder, press a few buttons, and then the washing machine will start. In the same way, if you have to take a car and go, you have to drive the car. Car will not go by itself. Now, what is a computer? A computer is also a machine. We can use a computer to play games. Those of you who have computers at home, you know that you can play games on your computer. You can draw pictures. When you come to school, I will show you how you can draw pictures on the computer, and I'm sure some of you already know how to do that. You can type words, you can type sentences, you can type a small poem on the computer. You can do sums, you can add, subtract, multiply, divide on the computer. And you can listen to music. You can listen to music on the computer. And you can also watch videos. And there are many more things you can do on the computer. A computer never makes mistakes. While doing sums, a computer never makes mistakes. You may make mistakes. Your mummy daddy may make mistakes. Even your teacher sometimes make mistakes. But the computer will never make mistakes while doing sums. Never gets tired. Oh, we all get tired. You get tired, I get tired. The class teacher gets tired. Your parents get tired. But the computer does not get tired. Stores many things. Okay? We store everything in our head. So computer also can store a lot of things. It can store a lot of information. You remember your marks. The computer keeps the marks of the whole school. But there is one thing, the computer cannot work on its own. It will only work when you order it. Now children, if you are asked, what does a computer look like? You will say it looks like this. But do you know that this is not the only type of computer? Computers come in all shapes and sizes. There are 4 types of computers. This is a desktop computer. This is a laptop computer. This is called a tablet. And this, the mobile that you have in your house, everybody has now. The smartphone. This is also a computer. Desktop computers, they are big in size, they are kept on top of a desk or table. So when we talk about computer, we usually mean this thing with a monitor, a keyboard, mouse, and the thing called a CPU. This is what is actually one type of computer called desktop computer. As you can see, they are quite big. You can't keep them in a bag and take it with you. You can't take them from place to place. So they are big in size and they are kept on top of a desk or table. That's why they are called desktop computers. The next type is laptop computers. They look like a briefcase. Okay, you know the briefcase that your father may be taking to the office. So it is like that briefcase, only it is much smaller. It is small enough, as you can see, that screen can fold. That screen can fold and then it becomes like a big diary. And then you can put it inside your bag and take it. If your father has one laptop, he can easily put it inside his bag and take it. And of course, it's written they are smaller than desktop computers. So these can be carried, unlike desktop computers which cannot be carried. Tablets, they are bigger than smartphones but smaller than laptops. They have touch screens. Now you may have heard of something called tab, T-A-B, tab. Okay, the full form of it is tablet. Some of you may be having one at home. So these tablets, as you know, they are bigger than your smartphones, your mobile phones, but these are smaller, even smaller than the laptops. Okay, a laptop has a screen and a keyboard. This one has only a screen. So how do you type something? This is what you do. They have touch screens, just like mobiles. And the last type is smartphones, mobiles. Mobiles can also be computers, but then not all mobiles. All mobiles are not smartphones. All mobiles are not computers. Only those mobiles which are called smartphones, they are computers. They are mobiles on which we can do internet. Yes. Only mobiles on which you can do internet, they are called smartphones. But then of course today almost on every phone except the very, very cheap ones, you can do internet. So today practically all the mobiles are smartphones. So besides doing internet and using as a phone, we can also use them to take photos, listen to music and watch videos. And they are smaller than tablets. So with that children, I come to the end of this week's video. In this video, I completed chapter 1, Computer, a Machine. Today, in this video, I taught you how machines are useful, why the computer is called the smart machine, and what are the 4 types of computers. Next week, there will be an online class in which I will start chapter 2, use of computers. So till then, tata and bye bye.